Evansville, Indiana leaking basement and crawl space repaired. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,830 square foot home in Evansville, Indiana sits on a half basement and half crawl space. The foundation is constructed of red brick and the basement slab is poured concrete that has been previously replaced. The basement portion has painted and sealed white walls that show marks of water intrusion from the window wells, leaking pipes, and the wicking properties of the brick. There are damp patches present throughout the concrete slab and evidence of more than one basement flooding. The shared half wall between the basement and the crawl space is uncoated red brick that shows mineral deposits, known as efflorescence. You can see that thin painter's plastic has been rolled out over the exposed dirt in the crawl space and hangs over the shared wall. Inside the crawl space, the dirt is muddy in patches, and there is condensation present between the dirt and mud and the painter's plastic. The red brick foundation walls also show evidence of leaking problems over time through staining and mineral buildup, as well as mortar degradation. Debris present in the crawl space shows copious mold growth, and the subfloor in this portion has a thick mold coating. The homeowners indicate that the floors above this area are uneven and squeak. The solution for this Evansville, Indiana home is twofold, and our project manager has helped design a WaterGuard and clean space system that will keep the basement and crawl space dry all the time. First, he recommended a mold mitigation treatment to deal with the existing mold in the crawl space. This service was completed just last week. The next step was to install a clean space, crawl space encapsulation system in the crawl space to isolate the house from the exposed dirt. This was completed earlier this week. Next, the Healthy Spaces representative recommended a WaterGuard perimeter drain system to capture groundwater leaking into the basement. The WaterGuard system will provide a drain system to direct both the water from the floor and the walls into a powerful Zoller sump pump to remove the water a safe distance away from the home to keep the basement dry all the time. At this time, the mold mitigation has been completed. The clean space crawl space encapsulation has also been completed. The final step will be for Healthy Spaces team to install the WaterGuard perimeter drain system to keep the basement dry all the time. No more leaking and flooding for this Evansville home.